Plus families. Another day back with R&R. Welcome to Two Content.
Like, get right. I'm a slam dude.
Bruh.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Drop number 2 in the comment. Hey, today we're gonna do something different. I'll show y'all our point of views before we cut. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the front yard line around the water meter, 2 objects. We're gonna pop a line on that bad boy. See? Yes, me B got some motion. Okay, Plus fans, as I finish up showing you the front, I'll be weedy in the back. Stay tuned. You made it this far. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's do it, baby.
Stay
up, is you gon' tell it? Is you gon' use our little secrets as a whip? Mine tryna measure the distance she'll go, but I can't eyeball it. Throw mattresses in the fire, I done black in my heart, so I know I'm past all that shit. A little numb in the car, but I be fighting thoughts and shit. Man, I been having shit when I pack on my pocket right now, shit, I ain't got shit. A key to my house, about 40 to my name, but I still gotta spend that shit. And I'ma still pop my shit, and I'ma still stay self-lit. I don't give a fuck about click, I don't give a fuck about a bitch. I'm gonna go pipe my own self up, don't give a fuck about shit.
Welcome, Plus fans. Let me take y'all around the backyard. We done. Get y'all some of the edge and view. See, it was sprayed, so it was already maintained, but still we put our little flavor on there. R&R special. Yes, let's take you through. We're gonna point out the back walls. We're gonna point out all the detailing of a weed eater. Let's just take time to look at this motherfucker. Had the weed out there, this right there, right here. They look good, baby. Some R&R Empire. Sides to over there. It look good. I ain't no need to take out over there. But yeah, tune in, tell me more what you want to see. Be out here in the field trying to make it happen. Tune next up. Let's see how the front yard look, guys. Shit came from the back. Shit. If I look a little goofy, don't mind me now. Let's see how the front yard look. Cuz I'm holding it down. We got lines. We can see already. We got lines all ripped. Gotta blow them out now. Oh yeah, they look good, baby. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yard. Look at the details now. Around the flower bed, around the bricks. Line. Around the bricks. Edge. Around the two obstacles. Line over here. Cracks clean. Yeah. That's a wrap for the video, Plus fans. I hope you enjoy. Like, share, leave a comment. Comment to number 2 if you made it this far. Hey, I'm on it.